guys. In this video, we are going to be checking out the 5 best drones under $100 with camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hour of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Cevennesfe GPS Drone with camera. Brand name, Cevennesfe. Model number, CBG169. 1300 mAh battery, provides long-term playback. Flight time, 20 minutes. 120-degree adjustable steering unit, 1080p HD wide-angle camera. Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Provides stable flight using the altitude hold mode feature. Anti-jamming with 5 GHz technology. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easy control. Number 4. Laumox GPS Drone with 4K HD camera. Brand name, Laumox. Model number, SG907. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. Camera lens, 120 degree. Adjustable angle camera, 90 degree. Flight time, about 18 minutes. Charging time, about 4 hours. Control distance, free interference and no occlusion, 500 m. Wi-Fi image transmission distance, free interference and no occlusion, 300 m. Focal length, 50x zoom. Video and photo resolution, 1080p:1920 by 1080p. Down view camera, 1280x720p. Capacity of smart lithium battery, 7.4 V 1600 mAh. Number 3. Lensoul Foldable Selfie Drone. Brand name, Lensoul. Model number, CME. With foldable arm, small size, easily fits into your pocket, backpack, purse or jacket. Built-in 1080p HD camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. With advanced GPS stability, built-in stability sensors maintain position and altitude hold outdoors. With Follow Me feature, actively locates, locks and records you throughout your journey. With Wi-Fi function, can be connected AFIRC system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Number 2. Ocday Foldable RC Drone with HD camera. Brand name, Ocday. Model number, SMRCS21. GPS fixed point positioning, automatic follow-up, fixed point surround, out of control return, low power automatic return, battery power real-time display, ground station control. Novice professional mode switching. GPS positioning / GPS fixed hover / 300 meters Wi-Fi pass picture / 300 meters remote control distance phone control / low power return / flight information record. Camera parameters, 1080p HD wide angle lens. Battery capacity, 7.4 volts 1200 mAh. Flight time, 15 minutes. Number 1. AFIRC Drone Camera HD 4K Camera. Brand name, AFI. Model number, GW180. 1080p FPV Selfie Wi-Fi Camera. Real-time quadcopter. Altitude hold professional drone quadcopter RTF. 2.4G remote control quadcopter. Aircraft color, black. Product frequency, 2.4 GHz. Aircraft battery, 7.4 V 2000 mAh. Remote battery, AAA battery, 4 pieces, not included. Flight time, 8 to 11 minutes. Charging time, about 150 minutes. Remote control distance, about 150 meters. Height fixed barometrically. Photography. 1 key to take off land on. Stunt rotation. Low voltage protection. 6-axis gyro. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.